Hi guys, it's Brad here. So I want to do a quick video here just how I'm changing our RV. It's a propane gas detector. So we have a 2009 Dutchman travel trailer and it has the original propane detector in it. Yeah. So that one has a lifespan of 5 years. You're supposed to change it. You want to be proactive. So again, I'm going to show you how to change it, but just to give you a heads up, they're supposed to give you like a warning, and this new one does, as well as the old one when I looked it up. They're supposed to give you some sort of like a warning sound and some different colors. You'll have to look it up for each model when it's bad, but ours never did. It just stayed green. So I think it probably was working. But again, we should be, upgrading these propane detectors every 5 years. So this quick video, I'll stop here and I'll show you guys. First, disconnect your shore power by unplugging, or you can turn the breaker off. Just make sure that if you don't unplug that you for sure don't have power. Also turn off the battery's disconnect switch. To switch out this propane detector, all I have to do is take out these two Phillips. Hopefully these wires will come out enough. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Ooh, that's pretty taut right there. Yay! It should just twist off. There we go. Let's see. Oh, not attached very good, but I probably... Alright, that's super small, but we're gonna make it work. Look, it's not a whole lot bigger on the old one. So, this is on 12 volt. I think it'll be fine. Okay. I think what we'll do is we'll put some black electrical tape on there just to keep them together better. And if it does short out, we'll be safe. A little overkill. I didn't go up high enough, probably. Should get the grandkids that got smaller hands
I was
to
gonna
do that.
say, yeah. Your fingers are a little big for that.
I should go this way. And then... Oh, gosh. I don't think it's gonna matter. Alright. In you go, boys. Sit right side up. Okay. I might have to drill little pilot holes. Let's see if we can use the old one. Does it look level? Pounding it in as that goes. Yeah, it's going in. So I got the screws in there pretty tight. I'm trying to move it. It's snug. It might kick off. Let's get this off from there. And let's turn it on. See what happens.
Oh. It worked.
Do you have power?
Yep, it worked.
Okay.
Great job.
Thanks, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Has a much sleeker profile, and it will display actual real-time propane levels and error codes. And of course it has an alarm if, you know, it gets dangerous in here with propane. Let's go ahead and see what happens here. Okay, that's the test. Oh, sounds like one of the, yeah, laser test. And wow. And so, yeah, they say to test it weekly. Thanks for watching our video. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.